Iyak din.
So she was born and raised by Tita Ramir?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasama mga anak ko.
Well, you have to be strong.
Ikaw, magsisimula ka. Gawin kong birthday. Okay. Happy birthday, tita. Salamat sa lahat. Through ups and downs, nandyan ka. Lalo-lalo mga tama ang tao. Thank you.
Thank you, Marge. Actually, if you are in Mercato family, it's not the memory that actually hurt us. It's the bond that we share together. Even we are in different companies, different lives, we still touch these lives. Okay, before we have drama, let's make another table. Can I ask everyone to... Paulo, okay, Paulo. How did that, or how Tita Ramir touch your lives?
Tita, happy birthday to you. Actually, nag-join ko rin sa TCR before, it was 2017. Then ngayon, wala na po ako sa Spinis kasi ano mo naghanap tayo ng hinap natin ng ating sarili. Tapos naalala ko kay Tita, that was a time na hindi ko rin alam kung anong gagawin ko as in. And then, Tita was looking at me like, "Hello, how are you?" Then, naalala ko si Tita na sobrang galing niya magsabi kapag lalo kapag bago ka, as maramdaman mo na genuine yung mga sinasabi niya kasi tao tayo, may puso tayo. So, magko-connect yun. So, sabi niya sa akin, dito, maganda dito. Ito si Madam Nancy, si Madam. Ito, mga okay sila. Actually, mga ganun. Tapos, ang daming kwento niya palagi. And then, na-invite niya ako sa mga dinner niya with them. At may tawagan nga pala kami, trupa. At ito lang masabi ko sa iyo, pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabuting puso mo. At hiling ko ang magandang makabuti para sa iyo pa. And happy birthday.
Thank you.